Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Kathy Jarvis, and if you want to know what's going on in the homestead, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. And today I'm going to show you what we've been up to this past week. It has been a very busy week. We decided that we needed to clear out some of these trees that were close to the house. A couple years ago, we had a large tree actually fall on one of the cars and crush it. So my husband's been quite busy clearing out this area next to where we park the cars and getting the trees back a little bit farther. We've still got some big ones that we can't do anything about because they're too big for us. But as far as directly in front of the where we park the cars, it's fairly safe compared to what it was. So he's been doing that. And we had a windstorm come through. And if you know me, you know this is my busy time of the year. So I really don't have time to handle accidents and things that aren't supposed to have happened that happened. And when we had this last windstorm, the little greenhouse, the small greenhouse, which was actually one of those shelter logic greenhouses in a box that I got back in 2015 or so, and this is the second cover that I put on it. And for some reason during this last windstorm, the anchors came loose and the side ripped all the way across the top. And you can see my makeshift stitches where I put duct tape to try to hold it together until we get a chance to put a new cover over it or to cover it somehow. I'm actually thinking about getting some greenhouse plastic like that and just converting this by putting boards on it and making it so I can roll the sides up, do the whole thing. But you can see it really took a beating. And this cover's only 2.5 years old. It's not very old at all. And this is where I keep my little seedlings in. So I can't put them in there if the cover's gonna bust. But I did clean out the inside. I did that before the cover ever busted. I got my Brussels sprouts in here. And we've got some hanging baskets that I need to take in to the house. This one's doing fine. It's the oregano. It's doing really well. I think I have one of those blackberries that we tried. I think one of them actually worked. The other ones all died. So I need to get out here, finish cleaning this up, take these, bring the sprouts, the seedlings out and start them in these baskets and hang them up so they're out of the house. So, and I'll show you what I've been doing in the house in just a minute. All right, we're upstairs and I'll show you what I've been doing this week up here. I have been potting up flowers, more tomatoes and peppers, more flowers, more hanging baskets of flowers, more peppers and tomatoes and basils, and impatiens, geraniums, peppers, and tomatoes. And then in here, I got more plants down the heating mat. I've got broccoli and cauliflower. We got herbs, all these, lots and lots of plants. Got more. And over here, I got collises I'm getting ready to put in hanging baskets. More herbs. And getting ready to do my melons, my pumpkins, butternut squash. Get those ready and get those on the heating mat. So I have been busy. Not only that, but one of the things was decluttering the house. So I've been getting things ready for a sale. So hopefully I'll be able to have the sale in a few weeks and get a lot of this stuff out of the house. So remember, dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.